Gold pulls back a bit in early Tuesday trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The gold market has pulled back just a bit during the trading session here on Tuesday in the early hours. However, I wouldn't read too much into it other than it is a market that is close to the top of the range that we have been in. The 50-day EMA sits underneath and has offered quite a bit of support, but when I look at the longer-term charts, the bigger consolidation range that I am interested in is from $3,200 on the bottom and $3,500 on the top. This is the summer range that we have been in, and that does make a certain amount of sense considering that we had shot straight up in the air for so long. One would have to assume that sooner or later we had to digest these gains. By doing so, the market is likely to continue to see a lot of questions asked of whether or not it could continue to just race to the upside. A market pulling back like this from time to time shows just a little bit of indecision, but I think it also shows a little bit of a lack of interest at the moment. August is probably going to be more of the same, but we do have the possibility of external headlines jumping into the picture. There are a lot of questions out there when it comes to what the Federal Reserve will do, and as long as that's the case, it's going to make quite a bit of sense that gold just stays in this range. So a pullback here probably ends up being a buying opportunity in the next few days. That being said, I don't have any interest in shorting gold just because the previous trend had been so strong to the upside. My name is Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.